Hi everyone, it's Bad with AUB. The final touches for the preparation of IBA Direct Test that is about to held on Sunday. IBA Direct Test. I have selected some questions based on inequalities, some questions based on quadratic. Let's see and find out. Question number 1. 7 minus 5a is less than or equal to 32, where we have been restricted for the solution set to be belong to integers. Z stands for integers, and integers are given by 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. We have to sort out a solution of this inequality where A must belong to Z. A must belong to Z. Inequalities are solved like equation. Inequalities are solved like equation, but they differ in one respect. Whenever negative quantity is divided or multiplied, then we have to change the sense of this inequality. Less than will become greater than. Less than will become greater than. Otherwise, it is like equal. Solve for A. Solve for A. Shift positive 7a from left to right. It turned to be negative. It turned to be negative like an equality. Minus 5a less than or equal to 32 minus 7. Here I have shifted 7, positive 7 from left to right, and it has changed the symbol. Minus 5a, 32 minus 7, it's less than or equal to 25. Now watch this step carefully. I have to divide minus 5 both sides. Minus 5. Whenever I divide or multiply with negative quantity, then the sense of inequality changes. It will become greater than or equal to. It will become greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Divide by minus 5a. Sorry, divide by minus 5. Divide by minus 5. I have minus 5a divided by minus 5. Less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to 25 less than minus 5. Whenever we divide or multiply anything negative, whenever we divide negative anything or multiply anything negative, we have to change the sense. It is less than or equal to, I have changed to greater than or equal to. Minus 5 cancel. So A is greater than or equal to minus 5. A is greater than or equal to minus 5. Now the game starts. What is the significance of this? It is mentioned that for all A belongs to Z, A belongs to Z, A belongs to Z. Draw a line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. A is greater than or equal to minus 5, greater than or equal to, 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 means 5 has been included. 5 is included. I have shaded this one. 5 has been included. Greater than means towards the right side, towards the right hand side, towards the right hand side. All these are integers. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is our solution. So our solution set in tabular form is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and so on. Inequalities has infinitely many solutions. Inequalities has more than one solution. Inequalities has more than one solution. Greater than or equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is included. Minus 5 included. Greater than means toward the right hand side. Greater than means toward the right hand side. This is the tabular form of the solution set for A is greater than or equal to minus 5, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, and so on. All the integers that are greater than or equal to minus 5 is solution of this inequality. All the integers, because we have been restricted for all A belongs to Z. A belongs to Z. That's why I have chosen or written integers. From minus 5 onwards, they are all the solution of this inequality. I hope it's answer your question or it's answer to your queries. Next question, also based on inequality. Let's see and find out. Point to be noted, my lord. Whenever divide or multiply anything negative, we have to change the sense. Look at this. Less than or equal to, here is greater than or equal to. Whenever we divide or multiply anything negative, whenever we divide anything negative, whenever we have to multiply or divide anything negative, we have to change the sense. Less than to greater than to less than. Just this is the point where inequality is different from equality. This is the turning point from equality. That is the point. Less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to. This is the only respect where inequality is different from such type of equation. Such type of equation means equality symbol. Equation means equality symbol. Okay, moving one step further towards second question. Our second question is, it is right, it has been written in interval form, open interval form. Don't get yourself confused in terminology of open or closed interval. Just solve. There is less than, only less than, not equal. 15, 15. 7 is less than 2y plus 3, less than 15. We have been restricted for all y belongs to natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3. In the end, we have to choose all the options that satisfy this inequality having natural numbers. Discard the other. How to solve this one? It is in open interval. Here lies y. Make y alone here. Make y alone here. Don't you worry. What is first? Positive 3. Just add negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. Just add negative 3, negative 3, negative 3 in order to get rid of this positive 3. Make y alone. Make y alone. Make y subject. Y means only y. Y means only y. Am I adding minus 3? Everywhere. 7 minus 3 less than or equal to 2y plus 3. Minus 3 less than or equal to 15 minus 3. Look at this. To get rid of this positive 3, I have subtracted minus 3 from everywhere. From here, here and there. It will become 4. 3 cancelled out. 2y less than or equal to 15 minus 3, 12. 15 minus 3, 12. Look. Plus 3, how to get rid of this thing? Just add minus 3 or subtract 3 from all sides. Here, here and there. Look at it. Now we have to get rid of this 2. Get rid of this 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We have 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. We have 2 less than y less than 6. The solution of our y lies between 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Mark my words. Point to be noted, my lord. 2 has been excluded because 2 is less than y or y is greater than 2. And 6 has been excluded. Y is less than or equal to 6. And we have to take natural numbers. Natural numbers. Now we have to sort out all natural numbers between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6. Excluding 2 as well as 6. Excluding 2 as well as 6 because 2 less than y, 2 have been excluded as well as 6. If they have been included, the inequality seems to be 2 is less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal means than 2 included. Less than or equal to 6, then 6 included. This equality sign is not present here. That's why I have to choose between 2 to 6. 3, 4, 5. It's our answer in that case. It's our solutions. It's our solutions. It's our solutions. Because we have been restricted. Solution or y must belong to natural number. Or y must belong to natural numbers. Between 2 and 6, 3, 4, 5 are the only natural number. 3, 4, 5 are the only natural numbers. Moving one step further, this is 3, it's simple one, then 4 and 5 are good one. Okay. Third question is, minus 8 is less than 3y, 3y is less than 14, where y also belongs to natural number. For all y belongs to n. For all y belongs to n. Look, There is nothing, only 3, that is the coefficient of y. We have to get rid of this 3, divide by 3 everywhere. Divide by 3. We have minus 8 over 3 less than 3y divided by 3, 14 divided by 3. 3 cancelled out. I have minus 8 divided by 3 less than y is less than 14 upon 3. Apply table of 3 onto 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6, 2 whole 2 upon 3 means 2 point something, 2 point something, 2 point something, 2 point something means we have to start from, and we are asked to find natural numbers. Natural numbers. It is negative, minus 2 cannot be taken, minus 1 cannot be taken, as well as 0 cannot be taken. On the other hand, 1, 2, 3, they are inclusive. They are inclusive. I take only these 3. 14 is divided by 3. Its tantamount to 4 whole 2 upon 3. 4 whole 2 upon 3. So I have to exclude 4 as well. This is our solution set. We have to discard this because we have been restricted. We have to take y belongs to natural numbers. Minus 2 is not natural number, minus 1 is not natural number, 0 is not natural number. These are the all elements that lie from minus 8 upon 3 to 14 upon 3. These are the all elements. These are the all elements. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have further more restricted that we have to select natural number. So these are the natural numbers. So our solution set in that case is, our solution set is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we have been asked y belongs to z, y belongs to integers, y belongs to integers, then I would have taken all these things. I would have taken all these things. But we have forbidden, we have to take natural numbers, natural numbers. These are the only natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 that lies in this vicinity, that lies in this interval, that lies in this interval. From minus 8 upon 3 to 14 upon 3. These are the natural numbers that lie in this interval. So our solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because we have been restricted, y must belongs to natural number. Moving towards question number 4. Our 4 reads as 2 times 3x plus 5 is greater than 4x, where x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural numbers. 2 times 3x plus 5 is greater than 4x, greater than 4x. Just simply multiply, solve like equation. 2 3 the 6x, 2 5 the 10, greater than 4x, greater than 4x. Now shift 4x here and 10 here. They will change the symbols. Positive 10 will turn to be negative, positive 4x will turn to be negative. It will become 6x minus 4x greater than minus 10, greater than minus 10. 6x minus 4x, it's our 2x. 2x is greater than minus 10. Dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 we have, so x must be greater than minus 5. X must be greater than minus 5. Again, we have been restricted that x must belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. They have been not included. Why? Because we have to take natural number. Means 1. Our solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All the natural numbers greater than minus 5. All the natural numbers greater than minus 5. So these are the, all natural numbers are greater than minus 5. All natural numbers are greater than minus 5. So our solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In short, our solution set can be written as natural numbers itself, natural numbers itself, natural numbers itself, natural numbers itself. Okay, let me write here the solution for you. We have to take all natural numbers greater than minus 5. So our natural number, our integers reads as minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. We haven't taken this one because we have forbidden, we have to check x belongs to n. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 and so on. This is our solution set. We have to take all natural numbers greater than minus 5. All natural numbers greater than minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the natural numbers are naturally greater than 5. So our solution set is 1, 2, 3, 5, or in short, natural number itself. Natural number itself. Natural number itself. We have been forbidden. We have to take natural number, all natural numbers greater than minus 5, and our natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is our solution in that case. It is our solution in that case. Final question, fifth one, for the inequality section. Here 3 times x plus 5 is greater than 2 times x plus 2 plus 8, where x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to real numbers. Let's see how to negotiate this question. It's also say, just finally we have to write solution set belongs to real numbers. In that case only 3 times x plus 5, 3 times x plus 5 is greater than 2 times x plus 2 plus 8. Okay, just multiply 3 here, 2 here, it will become 3x, 3 5 the 15 greater than 2x 2 to the 4 plus 8 same. So shift, okay, let me manipulate. 3x plus 15 greater than 2x, 4 plus 8, it will become 12. It will become 10. Look, x on one side and constants on other hand side. 2x will become minus 2x from right to left. 15 will become minus 15 from left to right. 12 minus 15. Okay. So x is greater than minus 3. X is greater than minus 3. And x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to real numbers. Let's see and find out this. Do 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Minus 3. Look, here is greater than minus 3. There is no equality sign. There is no equality sign. Means minus 3 has been excluded. Minus 3 has been excluded. Draw a circle but open one. Open one to show that minus 3 has been excluded. Minus 3 is not included. Minus 3 has been excluded. From this to rightwards, rightwards, rightwards. This is our solution set that has been described on the line, and real line is complete dense. Real line is complete dense. This is solution. Take any real number greater than minus 3, greater than minus 3, greater than minus 3. Means we can take x is equal minus 2.99999, but not 3, and so on. Minus all numbers between minus 2 and 1, and mark my words, between any two real numbers, there lies infinite many numbers. Infinite real numbers lie between minus 2 and 1. Infinite real numbers lie between minus 2 to minus 1. Because real line is complete dense. Nobody guess what is the next number. If you say here, it is, if you say 0.1, somebody else say that's 0.01. Might be another say 0.01, another 0.001, another say 0.0001, and so on. Nobody can guess what is the next number of any real number. We can manage the greater number, the lesser number to the given number. So real line is dense, nobody can guess. For you, it is convenient. X is greater than minus 3, minus 3 has been not included, it is excluded. Greater than means towards the right hand side, and it is better to write the solution in that form. But you should have fair idea how many numbers have been included. Infinitely many. Okay. So moving towards our next topic, it is quadratic. For the equation x square minus 2x plus 16, find the product of the roots. Sometimes it is also said that roots, sum of the roots, product of the roots. Okay, let me erase this first. So I have quadratic equation as x square minus 2x plus 16. First, see how to find its factor or roots. There is 1, there is 8. It is in descending order, it's good. It is in descending order, fit. Either apply quadratic or minute breakup. 1 into 16, 1 into 16, it is 16. The general form for making of quadratic is x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots, plus product of the roots. That is the standard method to compare your equation. So 2 sum of the roots is equal to 2, and this is known as product. Product of roots is given by 16. Product of roots is equal to 16. Product of root is equal to 16. For engineering student, it's very easy and tiny concept to digest or understand. If you are a medical student, then it is going to cause trouble for you. Let's solve this quadratic. X square minus 2x plus 16. So 16 is the answer in that case. We are asked to find product. Now solve this quadratic. What is factors of quadratic? 8 times 2 is the factors of quadratic. 8 times 2, 8 to the 16. It is factors are not manageable. You can apply a quadratic equation in that case. Quadratic x is equal to minus b plus minus plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a over 2a. This is our a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 16. How to manage the factors of how to manage factors of 16 or to just apply here. A is 1, B is minus 2, C is 16. Put the values. Minus 2 plus minus 2 square means minus 2 square times 4. Value of A is 1 and C is 16. C is 16. 2 times 1. So we have x is equal to 2 plus minus square of 2 is 4. 4 into 16, it will become 64 over 2 over 2. Let me utilize this space. X is equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus 64, it will become negative 60 divided by 2. So these are our roots. Our roots are 2, one is positive 60 iota, and second one is 2 minus root 60 iota over 2. If we sum them, we will get 4. If we multiply them, what we will get? Let's see and find out. Product of the roots we have been asked. Product of the roots. Multiply the roots. It is 2 plus root 60 times iota over 2, and second one is 2 minus 60 iota over 2. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. There is difference of 2 squares between a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square means 60 root iota square. It will become 4 minus 60 iota square divided by 4. Value of iota square is minus 1. Value of iota square is minus 1. 4 minus 60 minus 1 divided by 4. It will become 4 plus 60 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4, it is R16. It is R16. Look at this. Product of the roots from inspection we have managed. It is 16. It is 16. It is a cumbersome method to follow this. Just keep this thing in mind. If coefficient of x square is 1, 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 then it is value of sum, and this is our value of product. We can easily manage. Sometimes it is asked find sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is 2. Don't take minus. Sum of the roots is 2. Product of the roots is 16. Simple enough for you. Okay. Let's see another question. Let me highlight this question once again in order to give you good view that you have been confused in solving quadratic. Look at this. If coefficient of x square is 1, here is minus, here whatever the coefficient of x is, it's our sum. Whatever is the constant, it's our product. It's our product of the roots. So sum of the roots is 2. I haven't taken minus. Minus belongs to formula. Minus belongs to formula. This is sum. And product is 16. Product is 16. Without solving quadratic, we are in a position to find sum and product of the roots. Compare the equation in this standard form. X square minus sum x plus product. Very simple and convenient method for you to be kept in mind. In previous paper, 2 to 3 questions are present from quadratic and its roots. Here we have been asked find sum and product as usual, as well as find the sum and product of the roots. Also discuss the nature of roots. First find sum and product of the roots in all these cases. Here is x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Look at this. Coefficient of x square is 1. So this 2 is our sum. Sum of the roots is 2. And this is our product. Product of the roots is 5. Product of the root is 5. That's our answer. Here another quadratic equation given to us. It is 2x square plus 9 is equal to 9x. 2x square plus 9 is equal to 9x. Write in standard form. X square, then x, then without x. So it will become 2x square. Shift 9x from right to left. From right to left, it will turn negative. Minus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. Look at this. It is not our sum of the roots. It's not our product of the roots. Because we have to make coefficient of x square 1. Coefficient of square 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Here is 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We have 2x square divided by 2 minus 9x divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 2, even 0 divided by 2. Even 0 divided by 2. So what we are going to have? Let's see and find out. We have 2 to cancel out. X square minus 9 upon 2x plus 9 upon 2. Now we can compare with this one. X square minus sum of the root times x plus product. So we have sum is equal to 9 upon 2 and product is also 9 upon 2. It is not necessary that both they are equal. In that case they are equal. It's sum, it's product, 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2. Now sum and product. If our quadratic is not in the standard form, write in the standard form. I have shifted 9x here, x square, then x, then without x. 2x square minus 9 plus 9. Minus 9x plus 9. We have to make coefficient of x square 1 dividing by 2. If you have managed coefficient of x square 1, then you are in a position to compare with this equation. X square minus sum x plus product. Don't take minus. Minus belongs to formula. So sum is 9 over 2, product is 9 over 2. In that case, it is not necessary they are equal. In that case, they are equal. Moving towards final question. How to find sum and product of the roots? That is 3x square minus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. We cannot compare with this equation. We have to make coefficient of x square 1 divide by 3. Divide by 3. Dividing by 3, we have 3x square divided by 3 minus 11x divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 3, even 0 divided by 3. Operation must be performed on both sides. X square minus 11 upon 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are in the position to compare x square minus sum of the roots plus product. Comparing, don't take minus. Sum is equal to 11 upon 3. Sum is equal to 11 upon 3 and product is equal to 1. And product of the roots is equal to 1. Product of the roots is equal to 1. It's around the second. What do we discuss nature of roots? I can try my best to explain in this next question, this part. Now sometimes it is of find the roots are real, equal or imaginary, irrational, whatever the case is. To you, these, let's see and find out. Determine the value of k, 9y square plus ky plus 16 is equal to 0. Determine the value of k in each of the following roots. Makes roots equal. Find k when roots are equal. When roots are equal. That is the condition for equal roots. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is the condition for roots to be equal. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It is known as discriminant. It is known as discriminant. Nature of roots is discussed through discriminant. Discriminant. B square minus 4ac. This is the condition for equal roots. Equal roots means B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here it is our A, it's our B, it's our C. Coefficient of square term is A. Coefficient of power 1 term is value of B. Constant is known as C. What value? Value of B is K. K square minus 4. Value of A is 9. Value of C is 16. Value of C is 16. Value of C is 16. Become a lazy. Don't try to multiply. Just shift them there, and they are all perfect square. You are in a position to find their square root very easily. 4 times 9 times 16. I have shifted 3 quantities there. Taking to get rid of a square, taking a square root must be positive negative. 4 into 9 into 16. Look, why I haven't multiplied? Because there is a logic. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So K is equal to plus minus 24. 24 is our answer in that case. Otherwise, we have to multiply this thing, then it will become something 576. Then we have to take the root of this. It is a good study. 4 is perfect square, 9, 16. Just take direct square. That is the condition for roots to be equal. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is the condition. If you put positive 24 or negative 24, it will give you equal roots. It will give you equal roots. Okay, I am putting the negative one in order to give you view whether this condition is true or not. Let me insert K is equal to 24 and minus 24 in turn one by one. We have 9y square. We have just arrived at the result. K is plus minus 24 when the roots are equal. Let's check, verify. 9y square, 24y plus 16 is equal to 0. 16 is equal to 0. Solve, or if both roots are equal, then it will become a perfect square quantity. Perfect square quantity. Let's check. Instead of 9k, I can write 3k square. Instead of 16, I can write 4 square. Look at this. A square, B square. Here must be 2ab. This will settle down automatically. Value of A is 3k. Value of B is 4. Just multiply. 2 3 the 6, 6 4 the 24. We are good to go. Its complete square formula of 3k plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. This is complete square formula. 3k plus 4 whole square. Taking the square root, I have 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Or 3k is equal to minus 4. K is equal to minus 4 upon. Look at this. In that case, I have gotten only a single root. If you have no idea, you can follow in that fashion. Here it is a square. Let me write 2 times. Let me write 2 sides. Equate them to 0. 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. It is also 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Solve for k. 3k is equal to minus 4. So k is equal to minus 4 upon 3. K is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Here it is y. I have written k. There is y. So there must be y overall. Y overall. It's okay. Y. Here is y. So y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. In that case, y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Both roots are equal. I have utilized the fact k is equal to positive 24. Similarly, if I put minus 24 here, I will arrive at the result here. It's minus. There is also minus here. It's also negative. It's also negative. Then solve. It will become positive. That is the root. In that case, both roots are also same. Condition for the roots to be equal is b square minus 4ac. I have applied. I have found the value of k, and I have verified as well. Let's see and find out question number 4. For what value of k? The roots are equal. For what value of k? The roots are equal. In that case, value of must be k Value of k must be 8. 8 or minus 8 in my opinion from perfect square quantity comparison. Let's see and find out. 4y square plus ky plus 4 is equal to 0. When roots are equal, when roots are equal, when roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It's our value of a, it's our value of b, it's value of c. Again, to give you good idea, coefficient of square term is a, coefficient of y power 1 term is b, constant is c. Manipulate, plug in the values. K square minus 4, or a is 4, c is 4, is equal to 0. Look, 4 is a perfect, all are perfect cross square quantities. Shift them on the right hand side. Taking the square root plus minus 4 times 4 times 4, 3 times 4. K is equal to plus minus, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 4 is 2. So K is equal to plus minus 8, plus minus 8. K, if K is equal to plus minus 8, then the roots are equal in that case. Then the roots are equal in that case. We are also asked, find the nature of the roots. Let me give you idea about nature of roots. Roots are equal. Its nature of roots. Roots are real and different. Its nature of roots. Roots are rational. It is also from nature of roots. Roots are complex conjugate. It is also from roots. Let's see and find out. I have just solved this equation. Where it is? This one. X square minus 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. And we have found the value like, I think, 2 plus minus 60 iota divided by 2. We have solved this. You can check. Look, roots are complex conjugate. Roots are complex conjugate, imaginary. In that case, our discriminant must be less than 0. B square minus 4ac must be less than 0. This quantity must be negative. This quantity overall results in negative. Let's see and verify. B square minus 4ac. Value of A, 1. That's our B, that's our C. Put values. B square means minus 2 square. Minus 2 square. Minus 2 square minus 4. Value of A is 1. Value of C is 16. Look at it. Square of negative 2 is positive 4. Minus 64. Plus 4 minus 64 minus 60. Look, our discriminant is negative. Whenever the roots are complex conjugate, discriminant is less than 0. If discriminant is less than 0, then roots are complex conjugate. Roots are complex conjugate. Roots are complex conjugate. Complex conjugate means they differ only in the symbol of iota. They differ only in the symbol of iota. Just open them up, write them separate. 2 plus 60, root 60 iota over 2. This is one root, and second root is 2 minus root 60 iota over 2. They are imaginary and they differ by the symbol of iota only. Such type of roots are known as complex conjugate. Complex conjugate. Complex conjugate means they differ only in the symbol of imaginary part. Here it is root 60 iota positive, here it is negative. The rest remains same. This is what this is. This is where the roots are complex conjugate. B square minus 4ac. If B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. Then roots are equal. If B square minus 4ac is positive, if B square minus 4ac is positive means greater than 0, then roots are real. Let me utilize this condition as well. This condition for you as well. I have what? X square. Here, what I have to write? 3x square minus 11x plus 3. Look the roots of this equation. It's RA, it's RB, it's RC. Put value in the discriminant. B square minus 4ac discriminant. Discriminant to check the nature of roots. B is minus 11 whole square. 4 times 3 times 3. It will become 121. 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36. It will result in positive. The result is positive. If the result is positive, then the roots are real and different. Roots are real and different in that case. Roots are real and different in that case. Let me sum up the summary of discriminant for you. if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Roots are, simply let me write equal. Number one. Number two, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative. Less than 0 means negative. Roots are complex conjugate. Roots are complex conjugate. Roots are complex conjugate. Number third, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive, and roots are real and different. Roots are real and different in that case. Roots are real and different case. Here is another and fourth one possibility, that the advanced possibility that shouldn't be present in such sort of exam, but let me mention this one as well for you. The result of b square minus 4ac is equal to perfect square. Is equal to perfect square. Perfect square means a quantity like b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. 9 is perfect square. B square minus 4ac must result in 4. B square minus 4ac is equal to 25. B square minus 4ac is equal to 64. B square minus 4ac is equal to 100. If the result of b square minus 4ac is a perfect square quantity, then roots are rational. 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 Okay, I have summed up all the questions for you. Let me give you a good overview of the set theory as well. Sets. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Always true. A union B is always equal to B union A. There is no need to calculate. These both are known as commutative laws. Commutative laws. This is known as commutative law for intersection, commutative law for intersection, commutative law for union, commutative law for union, commutative law for intersection. These are known as commutative laws. You should have fair idea about this. Idempotent A intersection A is equal to A and A union A is equal to A. Idempotent laws. Here associative law. A union B, then union C. A is equal to A union B union C. Associative law for union. They differ in the bracket. We have to start this thing from left to right. First, find the union of A and B, then with union C. First AB, then with C. In that case, start from right. First, find the union of B and C, then with A. Associative law for union. If here it is intersection, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. It is associative law for union. It is associative law for intersection. Associative laws. Okay. A intersection B always equal to B intersection. Commutative law for intersection. A union B is equal to B union A. Commutative law for union. A intersection A always results in A union A always results in idempotent laws. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. In that case, bracket belongs to AB. In that case, B to C. Associative law for union. If instead of union intersection is present, A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Associative law for intersection. Let me give you a brief idea about distributive laws and De Morgan laws eventually. Distributive law. They are very tricky. Intersection B unions. Look, here it is intersection, here it is union. And second one is A union B intersections. Intersection, then union, then intersection. How to pronounce them? Distributive law of intersection over union. 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 And in that case, distributive law of union over intersection. Distributive law of union over intersection. Distributive law of union over intersection. How to write right hand side? It's really very easy. Really very easy. Let me manage this piece. A intersection B union C. Just ordinary ordinary multiplication. Multiply intersection B with B as well as C. Just write this portion in front of A, B and in front of C. Write this portion A intersection B in front of B as well as C. It's equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Just place A intersection in front of B as well as C. The rest remains same. Distributive law of intersection over union. Distributive law of intersection over union. Why? This one A union B intersection A union B intersections is equal to, just place A union in front of B as well as C. Distributive law of union over intersection. Distributive law of union over intersection. Distributive law of union over intersection. It will become A union B intersection A union C. A union C. Distributive law of union over intersection. Distributive law of union over intersection, the typical one. De Morgan laws, everybody is familiar. De Morgan laws. A union B whole complement. Some people write C, some people write dash, it's okay. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Here it is intersection, here it is union. Here overall complement, here individual complement. First De Morgan law, second De Morgan law. A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. It's equal to A complement intersection B complement. Look at the difference. Intersection then union, union then intersection. Overall complement, individual complement. Overall complement, individual complement. It's my tiny effort to you guys to explain to you some MCQs that must be helpful in your upcoming exam. It's all by itself. Next.